at the very basic form, you're directly substituting the limit value in. So if you had something like the following, limit as x approaches 2, you plug in, you get 2 plus 5 and 7, and you're done. Even if it was 2 from the minus end, you'd still plug in a 2, and you get 7, and you're done. Even if it was 2 from the positive end, you'd plug in a 2 and get 7, and you're done. Now, I did not expect it to be this simplistic. You might get something like the limit as x approaches, let's say, excuse me, 2 of cosine inverse of negative like 1 over x, okay? So if we do that, we would get cosine inverse of negative 1/2. And now you have to deal with trig, inverse trig. So thought process, where does cosine equal 1/2 at? Cosine equals 1/2, the reference angle would be at pi over 3. Now what's cosine inverse of negative 1/2? It's not negative pi over 3. Rather, cosine inverse exists in quadrants 1 and 2. So the equivalent angle in quadrant 2 would be 2 pi over 3. You've got to be careful about inverse trig. Or to bring it up another notch here, let's say they said given. So given the limit as x approaches, 2 of f of x is equal to 7, and the limit as x approaches 2 of g of x is equal to 5. Find the limit as x approaches 2 of the square root of f of x times g of x plus 1 over f of x minus 5. How do you start any limit? Direct substitution. Go ahead and substitute it in. You get f of 2 times g of 2 plus 1, all divided by f of 2 minus 5. The only thing f of 2 could equal is 7. The only thing g of 2 could equal is 5. And again, f of 2's got to equal 7 as you're approaching. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 1 is the square root of 36, so 6 on top, 2 on the bottom, and that answer will be, gotta shimmy it in, 3. So as ridiculous as it may look, start by substituting in and seeing what you obtain with these types of limits.